my god, that Novatec is so loud.
Engine, guys, it's crude.
Engine god.
Have to empty the parking lot ASAP. Oh my god, that thing is sick! Hi guys, this is Premster14 and welcome back to another video. So today we are at the Cars Cafe for a supercar meet that is organized by my friend Ayman from AY Cars. What's up, bro?
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
So
today,
what a good lineup of cars we have here.
We've got supercars here. We're expecting around total 40 supercars to come.
Nice.
We've got some Aventadors, some Porsches, some more cars all the way back there.
Ferrari.
As you can see around, we have the whole community with us. And yeah, all organized by me. Hopefully it goes well. Amazing, man.
Let's see the lineup. Check out this 720S in this purple shade with copper wheels. We have a SVR.
Mark around the corner, okay? Come and take one.
And we have a GT3 RS.
Great to have you. Let me just get
It's got some custom exhaust on this one. Titanium exhausts. A Hurricane with the carbon fiber body kit that showed up. I mean, this 720S is something else, guys. What a shade. We have a 992 GT3 in the crayon gray shade. So guys, let's start from here. We have a Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2 right here in a stunning spec with the black and red. Over here we have the Ferrari F8 Tributo. Next to it is the Ferrari 812 Superfast with Novatec exhaust, an RS3. We have the E63 AMG, another F8 right here. Check out this Mercedes AMG GTS in this psychedelic wrap and such brilliant alloys, as you can see. We have an orange Lexus RCF over here. Super loud Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. This is insanely loud, guys. Let's check out the interiors over here. All black, black on black. I wonder what exhaust it is. It's probably straight piped or something. It's insanely loud. Over there we have a McLaren Artura, the Aventador S Roadster. We have a Rolls-Royce Wraith, and we have another GT3 RS. And over here we have a modern classic. It's the Ferrari F430. Just check this out. Super clean, red with silver rims. A classic spec with tan interiors inside. Check this out. And we also have a RSQ8 that has showed up. We have another 720S that's pulled up. How are you, brother?
How are you, man? All
Make
good.
way, guys.
All good. All right.
We have a C63 Coupe.
Amazing. We've got a whole parking lot full of supercars. So from my behalf, thank you so much for attending. It really means a lot. Just for the second car meet, it's a great turn up today.
All the cars are heading out now. We have Ayman's car. Oh my god, that Novatec is so loud. That Novatec is so loud. Hey! Rolls-Royce Wraith going. We are on the road and we are joined with Aditya.
Hey guys.
In the Urus, and we left late. We were the last ones to leave and now we are stuck in traffic. So literally we are not moving. All the other cars are going to be reaching in like some time already and we are still stuck in traffic over here. Guys, check out this beautiful interiors of this Lamborghini Urus. all carbon fiber options are ticked, and we have the red maroon interiors, as you can see, with the black stitching, and we have the black embossed Lamborghini logo on the headrest as well. Check this out. Urus is the game changer for Lamborghini. They have sold so many units, and it's one of the most practical Lamborghinis ever built, and you can already see the amount of comfort also this car has. We are in sport, but still look at how soft the suspensions are, and it's so comfortable with so much luxury as well. So guys, we finally made it to the meetup point. We have the cars parked over here. Check this out, what a beautiful view this is. Guys, after getting stuck in a lot of traffic, we finally made it to Maidan, and it's a small parking lot in Maidan. And just check out the amazing lineup we have over here. OG Aventador, crazy, absolute madness right here. Actually, the box came and we have to empty the parking lot ASAP. So let's go. We have the Aventador, super duper loud. Oh my god, that thing is sick. That was actually shooting flames, guys.